Hello everyone, in this video we will cover the exercises of session 5. So let's get started. So we will start with the exercises. As always, match the following is given here. As we already completed in the last video the pronunciation. So let's start. The first word is gynecology. Principles of teaching, nose, treatment of skin diseases, specialty dealing with women's diseases. Yeah, gynecology. Obstetrics, delivery of newborn infants. Yeah, specialty dealing with the delivery of newborn infants. Pediatrics, stirring up discontent. No. Principles of teaching, specialty dealing with the treatment of children, that is pediatrics. So you will see the specialty word is common. Okay, so whenever there is x, you know that ICIAN is, it means is expert. So whenever we say optician or electrician, like they are expert in that particular field. But this is the practice, this is the specialty. Okay, obstetrics. So one who is expert in obstetric is known as obstetrician, and pediatrician. I hope it's clear. Pedagogy, treatment of is no specialty, stuffing of principles of teaching. I think pedagogy is principles of teaching. Demagogy is stirring up discontent among the masses. Yeah, if you watched the last video, you would know that demagogy means one who it is used in the current world in negative sense. So we can say that one who says or spreads discontent among people, negative thoughts among a large people. Okay, dermatology is the skin one. So specialty dealing with the no treatment of skin diseases is dermatology, and taxidermy is the stuffing of skin of animals. All right, moving on. Next, you can check the answers right here, and if anything is wrong, you can comment. Please comment if anything is wrong. I will make it correct. Can you work with the words again? We have some hypodermic and epidermis, pachyderm. Pachyderm, let's do it first. Pachyderm, I explained in the last video. Pachyderm is an organism with thick skin, outer no inflammation of the skin, under the skin, one who measures vision. Outer layer, inflammation of the skin. No, let's see. Dermatitis is the one who measures under the skin. I think dermatitis is the inflammation of skin, because dermatitis means any problem related to skin is dermatitis. Okay, skin problem. Ophthalmologist is a eye doctor right here. Optometrist is one who measures. Measure is the like one who measures vision. Okay, here is the keyword. We found it. Metrics mean measures. Optician, we have lens grinder, one who makes lens, prescribes lens. Okay. Epidermis and hypodermis. Epidermis is the outer layer of the skin, and hypodermic is the under the skin. Elephant is pachyderm. Yeah, I was thinking where is the meaning, but it is an example that elephant is a pachyderm animal like rhinoceros, hippopotamus. These are pachyderm, means animals with thick skin. Moving on the next page, we have some more. You can check the answers right here again. Do you understand the words? So we have to answer in yes or no. Does a treatise on obstetrics deal with childbirth? Yes. Does gynecology deal with the female reproductive organs? Yes. Gynecology is the study of like female system, female biological system. So female reproductive organ. It's all correct. Is pediatric concerned with the diseases of old age? No, it has just said the opposite right here. Pediatrics is concerned with the diseases related to young children, like children after the birth. Okay, so that is not old age. It said the opposite. So answer will be no. Does pedagogy refer to teaching? Yes, pedagogy is the specialty where you study how to teach children, but in today's world it is used in a negative sense. Is pedagogue an expert teacher? Yes. Is a demagogue interested in the welfare of people? No. It is used in negative sense, and it is used when a person spreads discontent or disfamiliar views, negative views in a society. Is lion a pachyderm? No, lion is not a pachyderm. Pachyderm means an animal with thick skin, so you can relate. Is the epidermis one of the layers of the skin? Yeah, epidermis is the one layer of skin. You will I hope you have studied this in science. Is dermatitis an inflammation of one of the limbs? No, it just confused at the end. Confuses at the end. Not limbs, man, skin. So the answer will be no. Is a taxidermist a medical practitioner? No, taxidermist is not a medical practitioner. Taxidermist is one who practices taxidermy. Taxidermy, as in stuffing the. Suppose you find a dead animal, so you will keep it preserved by stuffing it and like keeping it in museum, all that. Okay. Is an ophthalmologist a medical doctor? Yes, ophthalmologist is an eye doctor. So, of course, it's a medical doctor, eye physician. Is an optometrist a medical doctor? No, you need to understand it. Optician and optometric are not doctors. They cannot do surgery, they cannot treat disease, they just prescribe. Optometrist is one who measures your vision, and optician who once you prescribe with glasses. So both, no, here will be no, DS is wrong. An optician prescribe glasses. Yeah, the answer will be yes. Okay, moving on, let's see what we have on the next page. You can check the answers right here. Can you recall the words? Specialty of child delivery, obstetrics, outer layer of skin, epidermis, principles of teaching, pedagogy, thick skinned animal, pachyderm, skin inflammation, dermatitis, one who foments political discontent among people, as I told you, demagogue, one who sells optical equipment, optician, medical graduate serving his apprenticeship. You need to remember this. We didn't see this in the exercises, but it's intern. I told you in the video when we discussed. Treatment of childhood diseases, pediatrics. A pediatrician is one who treats the diseases. Practice of stirring up political dissension for purely personal gain. So same demagogue. One who stuffs the skins of animals, taxidermist. So one who, it's not asking for the practice. If it asks for the practice, then we will write taxidermy. But if it's asking for one who, like the specialist, so we will write taxidermist. Another title for ophthalmologist. Another title for ophthalmologist, like we saw, ocular is the synonym for eye. So for ophthalmologist, I think oculist. Yeah, oculist. I found it. So you can remember like this. Next, we have treatment of female ailments, gynecology. Medical specialty dealing to diseases of eye, ophthalmology. One lens glasses, monocle pertaining to the eye. It is the synonym of the eye, so ocular. One who measures vision, optometrist. I hope it's clear. Moving on, you can check the answers. And the good news, we completed session 5. I hope you enjoyed this video. You are learning something new. If you have any problem or you think I am wrong somewhere, please do comment so I can correct my mistake and we can learn together. Thanks for watching.